Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. If you're searching for the best setup videos, then subscribe our YouTube channel. This channel provides you the easy and quick setup videos. Are you facing weak Wi-Fi signals at home? Don't worry, in this tutorial, you'll learn how to connect the COTDLNK Wi-Fi Extender to your main router using the WPS button method. WPS setup is the fastest way to extend your wireless network without typing the Wi-Fi password. This guide helps improve signal strength, fix weak Wi-Fi areas, and increase internet coverage in your home or office. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. In the first step, plug the COTDLNK Wi-Fi Extender into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Turn on the power and wait about 30 to 60 seconds until the power light becomes stable. Make sure your router is already connected to the internet and working properly. Locate the WPS button on your router. It may be labeled WPS, Wi-Fi, or have a circle symbol. Press and hold the WPS button for 2 to 3 seconds. Release the button. The router's WPS light will start blinking. Blinking indicates the router is searching for a WPS device. You now have about 2 minutes to complete the next step. Now press the WPS button on the COTDLNK Wi-Fi Extender. The extender's WPS/signal light will start blinking. Wait patiently for 1 to 2 minutes while the extender connects to the router. Do not unplug or press any other buttons during this process. Now press the WPS button on the COTDLNK Wi-Fi Extender. The extender's WPS/signal light will start blinking. Wait patiently for 1 to 2 minutes while the extender connects to the router. Do not unplug or press any other buttons during this process. Unplug the extender from the socket near the router. Plug it into a new socket halfway between your router and the weak Wi-Fi area. Wait about 30 seconds for the extender to reconnect. The extender will usually create a new Wi-Fi name like your Wi-Fi name _ext, or it may copy the same Wi-Fi name as your router. Connect your phone, laptop, or smart TV to this extended Wi-Fi network and test the internet. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry, contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will solve your problems as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for such as more updates.